These protein bars have a soft texture, a sweet peppermint flavour, and are finished with a dark chocolate drizzle. Start by blending rolled oats into a fine flour. Then add almond butter, maple syrup, vanilla, salt, peppermint extract and water to a mixing bowl and stir until smooth. Add the oat flour and protein powder and mix everything together to form a smooth dough. Press the dough firmly into a parchment-lined loaf pan, then chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes to firm up. Once chilled, slice it into bars. Then chop up some dark chocolate, melt it in a microwave, and drizzle it over each bar before returning them to the fridge until the chocolate has set. And that's it. Soft mint protein bars, perfect for meal prep. Thanks for watching and enjoy.